You turn the light off and think the work is finished, but the room inside your skull is only changing shifts. The body lowers the volume, muscles loosen their grip, temperature falls by fractions, the eyes stop asking the world for proof. Outside, the clock keeps pretending time is simple inside. Another rhythm takes command, light leaves the retina, signals travel to the master clock. The suprachiasmatic nucleus keeps counting the day without sound. Melatonin rises like a curtain, not sleep itself but permission. The gates soften, the mind lets go. The dream laboratory opens, NREM descends in quiet layers. Slow waves move through the brain, memory is lifted, sorted, tested, stored. Then REM arrives, eyes moving under closed lids, dreams assembling fragments into weather. You disappear for a while, but the nervous system keeps working. Stage by stage, the cycle turns, light sleep, deep sleep, dream sleep again. The brain does not rest the way a stone rests. It repairs, it rehearses, it clears what the day has left behind. Synapses soften, emotions lose their sharp edges. The body measures hormones, temperature, timing, return. Every night is not one sleep, it is a procession. 90 minutes, then another door. The dream laboratory opens, and REM rebuilds the foundation. REM lights the inner theater, the hippocampus speaks to the cortex. The day becomes less fragile. What you studied, what you feared, what you almost understood. The sleeping brain touches it again. Somewhere near morning, the dreams grow stranger. A hallway becomes your childhood, a voice becomes an exam, a face returns without permission. This is not failure, this is the mind moving furniture while consciousness is gone. The dream laboratory opens, circadian rhythm keeps the timing. Sleep pressure carries the need, and REM deepens, REM returns. Memory crosses from moments into pattern, and when morning reaches the body, you wake as if nothing happened, but something did. The room is ordinary again. The bed, the window, the unfinished notes. But inside the brain, the night has changed the order of things.